One of the easiest and fastest ways to start working online is freelancing. It's free and you can start almost in one day. But the big problem is that today we have thousands and thousands of freelancers and the competition is super high. Almost 9% of freelancers just quit before they even try and start. Today, in this video, we will solve this problem. I will show you a new way that has almost zero competition. If you understand it and give it a little effort, you can change the game in the freelancing world. If you are ready, let's start. Before that, if it's your first time here on my channel, no, I'm not asking for subscribing. I just want to tell you that my videos has no ads and I share tutorials and tips about digital marketing and online business powered by AI and automation and based only on real tasks, real examples, and more than 9 years of experience working online. Okay, enough bragging, let's get started. Okay, so the idea today is super simple. It's about providing a new special type of services that has very low competition in the freelancing market. It's a new opportunity, and if you act fast, you'll have an online job in 2024 in a couple of days. Let me show you an example I did last week to understand what I'm talking about. Look at this simple tool. I called it the keyword bomber tool. And by the way, I'll give it to you for free by the end of this video. So we have three simple inputs. The country code like US, we have a keyword, let's say marketing automation, and you need to enter the OpenAI API key for some AI automations and analysis. You will see the magic right now. So I'll paste my API key here from OpenAI and click on fetch data. It's loading. Don't worry now about the API key or whatever, how it works. I will share with you the full guide and all details in a little bit. Just follow up with me, please, right now for 2 minutes only. Okay, perfect. Look at this. We have here keyword data. Look how many keywords I got. Question keywords, prepositions, alphabet keywords, comparisons, intent-based, time-related, audience-specific, problem-solving, future-specific, opinions, course-related, trend-based, all these keyword suggestions and ideas. And at the end, we will have an AI analysis report based on this data. So we have content strategy, we have audience engagement tips to do for SEO on how to plan using these keyword suggestions, your content and your website to rank on Google and grow your business. So it's a very simple tool. Imagine now you have it as a business owner, an online website owner, and you have this tool. It's very important. It's free. You can use it unlimited times without subscribing, without anything. Now, before I give you this tool and tell you how it works, let's answer the big question. How this tool is related to freelancing and solving the competition problem. What is the connection here? To put simply, the idea is instead of providing traditional services, for example, in our case, we're talking about SEO here. So instead of sending an email, a cold mail, promoting your service and telling the potential client, hey, I provide SEO services, link building and whatever, and SEO audits, these traditional services, you can provide AI-powered tools and services that will change the game for the clients and the customers. This is a new niche, but you have to take care and learn the right way to build such tools and provide these services. And by the way, I have 3 more bonus methods on how to make money online and build a business online using such tools. I will share with you after I show you how this tool works. So let me reveal the secrets behind this tool, how I build it, and how you can do the same or maybe better. I think you should do better. It's a very basic example, as you will see now. So here is the basic script, the basic Python script. By the way, I developed it in a way it's super easy to get started. You just need to enter a keyword and the country and the API key and run the script. That's it. So let's do it. You will say Python and the name of the script app.py, enter, and you can see now we got all these keywords with the AI report analysis. You see all these keywords in the terminal below. But of course, you can provide this service as it is for a client, except if the clients wants or love these types of terminal scripts. But usually you need to create an interface. It will look better. So what I did simply, I copied this script. I copied it. And I went to my premium prompts library and I went to Streamlit UI from a script. I used this power prompt from my library. I just copy it. I showed you this before, I think. If you're following me, you copy this, you open ChatGPT, you paste this prompt, and instead of your input script, you just copy this simple script here, paste, and boom. You just wait a little bit, and in seconds now, ChatGPT will generate and tell you step by step how to create the UI for the script. This is exactly what I did. By the way, both the script and the UI are built with ChatGPT. ChatGPT wrote the code for me. Now it's time for the most important section of this video. It is the logic behind this tool, how I built this tool. If you understand this, you can build and develop and create hundreds of ideas and tools like this one in any niche. So, if you go to the Bomber script, you will see we have mainly two functions, the get keyword data and suggestions AI analysis. So what I'm doing here simply, let's go and open the browser to explain with an example. And we paste this URL. From Google, complete/search, it's a free API from Google. And here we have the country, I will say here, US, and the query, whatever you want, for example, digital marketing, anything, and enter. You can see now we got an XML list of suggestions. You can see these are the keywords. So what I did, I used this free open API from Google, the complete API, and if you go back here to my code, you will see I'm using this URL here and I'm just giving it a lot of categories. For example, questions, prepositions, alphabet, comparisons, all these that you saw in the interface here. You can see all these keyword data. So I simply loop over all these categories and suggest keywords. Who, can, alphabet, versus, by, when, and so on. So I get a list of hundreds of keywords based on this API. After that, we got now all these keyword data. What I do is simply I get this data and chain it and link it with OpenAI, with a power prompt. If you go to the prompt section in the script, you can see I have this power prompt here. This prompt has one input, which is the keyword data. I pass the keywords here in the prompt, and then I call the OpenAI API with this simple function, generate response. I get the response. So now I have the AI analysis based on the keyword data. Please focus with me, this is very important. Generating AI reports and analysis based on a data you got from an API, combining both together to create simple tools but super powerful tools. For me, I sell such tools and services for at least $200-300 without customizations. So it's really a great opportunity if you get started right now. And before I tell you the 3 extra bonus methods to make money online with these techniques and methods, with this script and similar ones, I just want to tell you, if you are interested in learning these techniques from scratch, how to build and script automation workflows with AI and prompt engineering, you can check my full course in the description below. Anyway, so now you have a script, you built one, how we can use this same script to build multiple income sources, to build multiple businesses using one asset. You can simply turn this script into an online tool. For example, if you go here to my website, go to tools here, it's my WordPress website, by the way, and you can go here and see the keyword bomber tool. It is the same tool, but in my WordPress website. And this tool is not free. I sell it for 10 PowerPoints. So users or people must buy points to use my tools. It's like SaaS on WordPress. If you click on recharge PowerPoints here, people can buy points. You can see, buy power packs like credits and use my AI powered tools. And you can do the same if you want. And I explain this step by step how I built the point system and the SaaS on WordPress in a full course. Also, you can check in the description below. The second way is you can use these scripts to build custom GPTs. If you go here to ChatGPT, I explained this before, you can go here to explore and click on create a GPT and build your own custom GPT and publish on the marketplace utilizing your own API. I explained also this in detail in one of my videos. You can check in the description below. The third method is to turn this script, this simple script that you build, into an API and publish on websites like Rapid API. If you go to a Rapid API, and you will see here I'm selling different APIs. So you can turn it into an API and sell it on Rapid API. It's a simple and direct method, and I explained it in detail in this free video. If you learned something new today, don't forget to smash the like button. You'll find the full guide and the codes and the script for free in the description below. Grab it and see you later.